Hey there, my name is Mindy, and I wanted to make this video to share a little bit about myself and my journey and my vision with you. For those of you who I am not super connected with, I hope this will provide a means so that we can become better connected. So for a better part of my adult career in life, I have been a trainer, instructor, manager in the fitness arena. So in that field, I was able to help a lot of people uncover, discover, and achieve a variety of different goals that they've set for themselves. But what I really enjoyed most about that was learning the reasons why these people wanted to achieve these goals. And everybody's got such a different path and past. No two goals were the same, and it was always intriguing to me when I was able to help uncover some things that help people achieve different goals in their lives. My formal education is in business and marketing. So paired with that and my experience in fitness training, I feel like I've really gotten a good handle on helping people uncover the emotional reasons why they do things. So now I'm excited because in real estate, I can help people to discover those emotional reasons for why they want to buy this house versus that house, or why they are looking to sell their home. So I'm really excited to uncover those opportunities and adventures with some of you. And what I really like about what I do is that I get to help people. So I have friends, family, myself, you. There's so many people out here that work so hard every single day to provide for themselves and their family, to obtain or sustain a certain level and quality of life, or this certain lifestyle that they want to live every day. And I really admire that, and I love the drive and determination that it takes to do that. But what I find sometimes is that at the end of the day, people aren't always coming home to a house that reflects their hard work and dedication. So I really want to help people to uncover their vision of a dream home and help them to match their hard work and dedication to the home of their dreams, so that when they come home at the end of the night, the walls that surround them and the people and the things inside the home really reflect all of their hard work and dedication. So I hope to have some more videos for you guys so we can stay connected and I can help you all to find your happy, healthy home.